Hey guys, it's That's the Birds on Road Time Stacy's channel. And today we're doing the new review. It's another Angry Birds Tiny Topper review. Another episode, that was part 2. It's an unboxing because we missed the point of unboxing. And now it's our first unboxing video of it, of our Tiny Toppers. And let's show you it. The Bluebird series. I got 2 bluebirds and 1 mystery bird. So let me just set the camera somewhere. Okay, I set the camera on the hat, folks, so I know what this is. So it's an Angry Birds Tiny Topper of it. We're doing another episode of it, and now it's part 2. So another Angry Birds Tiny Topper review. Thank you for the 4 subscribers. And I hope you enjoyed our videos. And this is our brand new video. We're getting 2 last time. Our other one's out now. Well, today we're doing a new one. Let's unboxing to see what mystery one is. I don't know which mystery one it's going to be. Oops, got it blocked. Okay. We got the Bluebird series today. Move that way. We got the free pack, the Bluebird ones, and let's see my mystery one is. I hope it's anything as a blackbird from BS Troubles channel. Oh, it's a white bird! Yes, white bird. Yeah, I already have 2 white birds, and now I have 3 white birds. Oh my gosh, I had 2 messed up white birds, and now I have 1 white bird that's literally perfect. Let's take them off. They're pretty good. The best one I ever used. It's the best white bird. It's a rare one. I thought it would be a blackbird, but it's a white bird. Like my figure? Well, yeah, pretty much. And that's our review of our Angry Birds Tiny Topper review. Rate, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for the 4 subscribers. And I hope you enjoy. See you next time. Power and kiss up. Little Tom Stacy out. Little Thomas.